Plans to update a park in Southeast Frisco are becoming reality as neighbors see construction begin.
Who doesn't love a brand new park? One of the things that we do with reinvestment is not just changing one thing for a newer thing, but actually like reimagining what the park should be now.
Shepherd's Glen Neighborhood Park opened nearly 20 years ago in 2006. It's now getting a makeover as a reinvestment project.
Shepherd's Glen's about 7-acre neighborhood park. We're bringing brand new playgrounds. We are retrofitting or refurbishing the existing shade structures. It's one of the few neighborhood parks that have a splash pad. And so we wanted really to just protect that feature and just make it better, enhance it, bring in some new materials, resurfacing.
Besides the new fun for visitors, the addition of a small parking lot will make getting to the park easier.
Currently, right now, this park is bounded by a cul-de-sac on the north side and a Shepherd's Hill Lane on the south side where you can't park.
The parking lot will be off Shepherd's Hill Lane and will have as many as a dozen parking spots.
We are making the playground larger. We are bringing the playground to really cater to the 2 to 5-year-olds and 5 to 12-year-old kids.
Rubberized surfacing for the playground will replace wood chips, easing play for all children.
That's one opportunity that we get also throughout the reinvestment is addressing all the ADA compliant features that we have in the park.
Another part of the project protects the current trees and plants more.
That's one of the things that we like to do in our projects. We have the play and recreational element. We have the natural resources element as well, and so there's a lot going on in the layering of the design.
The reinvestment will cost about $2.8 million and is funded through general obligation bonds and park fees.
I think everybody is very happy, very excited that we're actually doing this.
The project is expected to be complete by spring of 2026. Until then, the park and splash pad will be closed during reconstruction.
We're a city that we pride ourselves in being more reliant, sustainable. We want to be able to be sustainable when we do our projects, not just the brand new ones, but actually being able to reinvest in the things that we have.